I got myself these microphones, yes, to help me with my sounds as I bring for you content. And so it comes with these two microphones, this and another one here. And then let's see what is inside here. And type C charger. I have this, what are they called? And then let me try and fit these, then put them, and that's how it works. So okay, and then we have this. Yes, I have this one more for my other microphone, but I wanted to upgrade my microphone. This one is not charged, so I have to charge this one and get to charge this for some few minutes, and then